fatty one.
That far?
Oh, you should try down there. Get your first fish out of the way. About to slay the bluegills. It's not bad, it's not that cold. Oh, I just saw something jump over there. Look. Look.
What?
Over there.
Is it swimming?
They're jumping.
Oh,
Look.
yeah.
See it? Is that on shad?
I don't know.
Low right there.
Yeah.
I got one, but I got a largie. Yeah. I was filming. Look at that.
He's a decent size. That is, oh. He's snacking from his. Míralo. Ve. Oh.
He's got a wound.
Oh, it's so cute.
Something took a
Bigger than
chunk.
him, yeah. Careful, buddy.
Let's put him on his good side. Boom. First largie. Let's let him go. All right, buddy. It's funny. He was right by the shallow. As soon as I hit the water, I was like, I hope I don't get snagged.
Yeah.
And I'm like, damn, I'm snagged. And he was on it already.
Oh, yeah?
Hey!
Look what I got.
A baby trout?
Is
That's
that
what
it is?
I think that's what what's his name was catching.
Baby trout?
Yeah, he was sending me a whole bunch of. Yeah, that's a trout. Look,
Oh, it's a baby trout.
look at the color of it. No, it's good.
Want a picture of it?
Look.
There.
Look at the green.
That is a baby trout.
Uh-huh. Look at the spots.
Yeah, let him go.
Oh. Sorry, bud. That was cool. First largie. Hey, this one here is money. Yeah.
The one that I keep laying out?
Yeah. It might have only one treble hook, but I did. Let's throw it in the same spot, see if you can catch another one. Nothing.
getting bites, but then he stops.
Yeah. That was a nice catch though, babe. That little trout. Did you see his green on his back? Yeah. Whoa. We got a jumper right there. One of those little trout. There we go. I got another one. A smallmouth. A good smallmouth. Babe, you got a bite? Did you get him? Look. Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at that. That's a smallmouth?
Yeah, I got smallie.
He is adorable.
And guess on what did I get him on?
Let me see. Robo worm. Robo worms, you better start sponsoring us.
I know, huh? Look at that.
What a beauty.
That's what, like maybe
1/2?
almost a pound?
Almost, yeah.
Or maybe even a pound. I don't know.
I got all your different faces.
That's a good start of the day.
You are.
Yeah. Look at this guy. See you, buddy.
Chasing this paper, these Benjamins got all the birdies surrounding. I love how they fly. Love when they dumb me back when I was nothing. They got me on bully, I won't ever stop. Two-door coupe, ayy. Shawty bet I got a scoop, ayy. Said that she like what I do and she wanna bring her friends out for the crew, ayy. Damn, two-door coupe.